Welcome to the KCS Schoology Parent Guide. Our first step to sign up is go to www.schoology.com. Use your own personal email account to create a Schoology account. Click Sign Up at the top of the page, then choose Parent. Use the parent access code given to you by your child's teacher or administrator. When you click Continue, then you'll fill out the form with your information. Make sure that you save your password somewhere safe. Write that down. Your child's teacher or administrator will not be able to see your username or password for Schoology. Also, they are not able to reset that for you. And we'll need to check this second box to agree to the privacy policy and terms of use. And you can choose to save your password on your device. So now I'm logged in. I'm signed up and logged into my parent account.